You like to earn $20 per day just by clicking on ads? Yes, this is the way I'm going to show in this video the strategy that you will definitely love to earn $20 per day just by clicking some ads and doing simple tasks you do every day online. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. So jump back into actions. The sites that I have to show is called aticlicks.net. Yes, this is aticlicks.net. This is as opportunities. I am sure you will enjoy this video just to earn $20 or more by just simply clicking on some simple task you do every day. You can earn not like paper ads, just you can earn many ways in this website. So all it takes is just simply go to aticlicks.net and you click on register here, and this will simply show you the simple form. You fill in the details and hit register, and you're good to go to earn money online. So you can earn from surveys, completing offers, referring others, and several contents, and paid to promote offers as well. And I also offer various type of bonus to users, regular users every day. So if you just register and log into your account, it will show something like this is your dashboard. So if you just click on earn money sections here, if you can see that they have advertisement, view advertisement, and service, and many more offer was like this. All it takes is just simply click on view advertisement and it will show this page, and you can simply just click on this boxes out there and watch it for like some seconds, 30 seconds, 7 seconds, and you will make money. And the amount is much more less, but definitely if you want more money, you can just convert you into a paid subscriptions, and you will make definitely more money with this, with the same effort you do. So all it takes is just simply click on this earn money sections, and if you just go over to this offer was simply, I just choose Lootably daily offers, and it will show all the Lootably offers out there. And you can see that the payment options is much more higher than viewing advertisements there. So you can see this is a simple app installs offers. You can just complete it within seconds, and within minutes you will get some healthy amount of money from these websites. In combinations you can make much more money than this band. But if you just click on this all the other offers was, you will get much more offers, and you complete all of them, definitely you will going to make money. So there is an offer wall contest as well. You can see that this offer wall contest lasts for a month, and in every month, the more money you earn, there's a possibilities you rank higher, and the first top 5 members who completes offers and earn money, they're going to share some gifts to those users. This is 30%, 25% on overall earnings there will be added to your earnings, and this is really good way to earn money online right now. So more offers you complete, more opportunities you make every day. So this is it, guys. You just simply click on it on every offer was, and you are good to go to earn money online. And there is also a lucky box sections. You just click on these boxes, and there is a chance that you can make a good amount of money every day. And the last but not least, there is a paid to promote options in this website. This is a really good way to attract users, attract new users to this website. So if you just click on publisher, click here, and you just simply click and promote these links, these sites links to all the users, and every day every people who will browse through your links and watch these sites, you will earn money. Just watching, just be bringing people to click on your links will going to make you money. So all it takes is simply simply go over to the setting sections. You can get money from Perfect Money, Payers, Grill, Faucet Pay, Airteam, any way you want, but opportunity is limitless. The more offers you complete, more money you can make, and they, according to their statement, you can make up to $20, around $20 every day by completing these service and offers. But definitely you need to have to be an active member, and you have to be active to earn money online, and money will definitely follow you. So this is it, guys. This is the method. If you like this method, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so you always stay with my channels, stay notified on my latest videos every day. So till then, see you in the next video. Stay well and thanks for watching.